Hi friends, welcome to day 7 of our 28 Days of Pilates challenge. We're into our relax and restore session. So for all the hard work that you've done this week, you're getting this lovely reward of a little stretch and relax session. But also pay attention to how easy or difficult this session actually might be for you, because we have certainly lost an ability to switch off and unplug and truly relax and restore. So if you are out of the habit of resting, then use these little 10-minute sessions to reintroduce that back into your life. It's so important that we take time out to completely unplug and just be with no interruptions. So we're going to do that now, but we're also going to move, stretch, breathe, and do something really good for our health at the same time. So we're going to start on our back in relaxation position. So join me on the mat if you're not already there. So you're just setting yourself up in our normal way. So it's the back of the head, the ribs, the back of the pelvis nice and heavy into the mat. Heels in line with your sit bones. And then just let your collarbones fall open naturally to the sky. Relax the shoulder blades to the mat. Bring that chin in line with the breastbone. And then just start to focus on softening the body. So just notice where you might even feel tight and tense immediately on lying down. Like maybe it's the jaw, maybe it's the shoulders, maybe the ribs, or you're finding it a challenge to let the ribs fully relax down. Just try and tune into yourself, to your own body and your own mind, and then start to use the breath to relax those areas or release any tension from those areas. So start to focus on the breath, start to breathe into the belly. So taking that breath really deep into the belly, letting the belly expand, and then let the belly relax back down to the abdomen, to the spine as you breathe back out. And with that, try and let go of any thoughts or what's on your racing through your mind, what you've got to do next, what's on the agenda for the day. Just focus, if you can, for 10 minutes on yourself. If it helps, as an anchor, sometimes what I do is think about inhale, belly rises, exhale, belly falls. I close my eyes and I repeat that over and over to focus my mind and to get into a little rhythm and a little flow with breathing. That might help you too. That's my little tip for the day. Whatever works for you, taking those breaths in, and with every exhale, soften down into that mat a little bit more. Totally surrender if you can. Gravity will hold you here. You don't even have to worry about centering or anything like that. One more breath. And exhale. We're just going to float the arms up. Palms are facing forward. Reach your shoulder blades. So peel your shoulder blades off the mat. Watch for any reaction in the spine, the neck. Keep the chin with the breastbone. Just lift the shoulder blades. Breathe out. And release your shoulder blades back to the mat. Notice how much wider your arms got as well. So you're connecting to that width of the back, releasing the tension. Last one. Just one more, sorry. Reach the shoulder blades off the mat. Peel them off the mat. Exhale. And then spread them back down onto the floor, and then bring your arms all the way back down. We're going to just move the pelvis on its own. A little exercise called compass or clock. We're going to move our pelvis around the 4 areas. So the belly button, the 2 hip bones, and the pubic bone. We're going to go clockwise. So we're going to go belly button, left hip bone, pubic bone, right hip bone. Are you with me? Good. Breathing out. We're going to center a little bit to flatten that back, and then just roll your pelvis. So tip your pelvis towards your left hip bone. Send your pubic bone down towards the mat. Big arch in the back. Round to the right hip. And then just go for it. A little circle. You can put your hands on your hip bones if you want to feel what's happening. A little bit like a hula hoop motion. Just that pelvis moving all by itself. Great for hip mobility. Great for lumbar mobility. Let it flow, and then keep checking in with where else you're holding tension as you do that, like the jaw, the shoulders, the face. Let it go. One more here. And then we're going to switch directions. So this time going right down to the pubic bone, round to left. And then just circle in that pelvis in any way that feels good. Feel free to have your eyes closed for this or for the whole session. Have a candle on, have some nice music on. Whatever restores your body, whatever restores you. in your mind. Last one here. And then just coming to a nice comfortable stop from there. Coming into just a little bit of work through the shoulders. So float your arms up, keep the shoulder blades on the mat, take the arms all the way overhead in a straight line. And then just bring them all the way back up and release them all the way back down. So again, breathing here. Maybe thinking of connecting the breath to how you move, or maybe not. Maybe you just move today and that's enough for you. Doesn't matter. Just be graceful, no right or wrong way. Just move, stretch, breathe. Be in your own mind, your own body. Arms overhead. Keep that chin with your breastbone. And then back up, all the way back down. Good, bring your inner thighs together. Press your feet down, shift your bum to the side. Arms out, low V, and just take a little semi-supine twist. So legs one way, and then just rotate your head and neck the other way. You can use your hands here if you want to just increase that space between the ribs and the hip. Can sometimes feel quite nice. Or you can just surrender and relax down. You choose, you breathe, and you release into that stretch. Good job. We're going to switch to the other side. You can use your hands, bring your legs back up gently, come back to center, and again press into the feet, lift the bum, shift it to one side. And then again, just surrender down. Notice whether one side feels kind of tighter around your hips, the other. For me, it's this side. And then just relax there. Let the head be heavy so the neck can just roll to the opposite side. Again, use your hands if you want. And gently just bringing those legs all the way back up. Shift your bum back to center. Stretch your legs long. Connect your inner thighs. Just coming into a few roll-ups because it's a lovely stretch. Bring the arms up and overhead first. Relax your shoulders into the mat. Now think about little connection to that center. As much as you need to get you to where you need to go. Chin to chest. Draw the abs back. And then you're just going to reach forward. You on the toes. Nice and slow and controlled. And then bring yourself back down. Arms overhead. We'll do 2 more. Draw those abs up and in. Reach in, crown of the head. Shoulders relaxed. Good. Last one. We're going to stay up on this one. Reaching forward. Restack your spine. Just finishing with a little spine stretch forward here. So bring your legs a width of the mat, flex your ankles sitting up high on those sit bones, arms forward, palms down. You're going to take a breath out. As you breathe out, drop your chin to your chest. Think of folding the ribs in towards the spine with the abdominals, and then you're going to send your crown of the head forward. So you're using your abs to flex that spine. And then you're going to restack your spine. You might feel a lovely stretch in the backs of the legs as well. So we'll do a couple more. Breathing out, drop your chin to your chest. Start to draw the ribs back, the abdominals, and start to reach that crown of the head forward. Finding that stretch through the back of the body. Don't collapse down. Stay nice and lifted. And then restack. And then we'll do one more. Breathing out, chin to chest. Drawing the abs back. Fold the ribs in. You stretch to where you want to go to your practice. We'll all be at different levels, so don't be looking at me, you're thinking, oh, I need to be there, because you don't. We're all different. Hands down. Good. The progress comes with the practice, and it doesn't have to be big. These little 10 minutes, you have no idea what you're in for if you just focus on 10 minutes every day or every other day. Well done. I hope you feel restored, relaxed. I will see you back on your mat tomorrow. Bye.